Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make this very awesome creamy moisturizing deep conditioning and everything hair mask using oatmeal and cloves. So if you're interested, let's jump right into the video. To make the mask, I'm using a quarter cup of oatmeal and 1.5 tablespoons of cloves. So I just added the two together, added to a pot with enough water to cook it, and just cooked it the way I would normally cook the one I want to eat. Just cook it until soft with enough water in a way that it will still remain watery when it's cooked. Cloves help to increase hair growth. It helps to get rid of dandruff problem. Cloves help prevent graying of hair. Cloves prevent hair loss and strengthens hair. It also makes the scalp healthy. When the oatmeal is cooked and soft enough, just bring it out from heat and let it cool. And when it's cooked, add everything to the blender and blend until smooth. Benefits of oatmeal. Oatmeal prevents hair fall and improves hair growth. It prevents split ends. It helps to treat damaged hair. It helps to treat dandruff. It soothes dry and itchy scalp. Oatmeal moisturizes the hair and adds shine and luster to hair. It has a lot of good benefits to our hair. After blending, add to a filter bag and strain. So if you don't have a filter bag, you can use like a stocking cap or a pantyhose or just things like that, whatever you have.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go?
Just strain to remove the fiber. You can also use the fiber as a face mask. It's also good because cloves and oatmeal is also very good for the skin. Look at how creamy and nice this hair mask is, and with the color, because of the cloves, you can just tell that it's going to be rich and very good for the hair. Look at that, so yummy looking. So next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is also rich in vitamin E. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is a very good humectant and an emollient, so it's also very good at moisturizing and making sure that it draws moisture into our hair strands and keep the hair moisturized and elastic, thereby preventing breakage. After adding the honey, mix everything together properly. Oh god, this is so creamy. Just don't eat it from the screen, okay guys?
I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Right now I'm trying to section my hair off in a way that it will not interfere when I'm applying the mask. So my hair is super dry and thirsty right here, so I just added some to my hair. I didn't spritz with water because I wanted whatever moisture my hair is going to absorb to come from this very creamy goodness. This hair mask is everything. Like immediately you add it to the hair, look at that, you can see the curls. I've not even added enough and the curls are already starting to pop. It softens the hair instantly. Like guys, don't sleep on oatmeal at all.
Beginning in the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough,
this mask is so nice, and because of the cloves it smells so good. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the smell of cloves. So make sure to saturate the hair with the mask. Make sure to coat every single strand, everything, work it in properly. The way my hair is dry and thirsty, as I'm adding the mask, my hair is drinking it up. Like, ooh, guys, look at that. You can see that I can just brush my hands through my strands. Like, This is the hair that was so dry and unmovable earlier on. You can see that. Look at those curls. Like, guys, even I'm always shook whenever I use this mask. Like, it's so good.
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Again, add the mask to the hair, work it really in. Also make sure it gets to the scalp as well, because it's also very good for the scalp. Oatmeal is good for the scalp. Cloves also is very good for the scalp since it has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. So it helps with dandruff, it helps with blood circulation to the scalp. It helps blood to get to the roots of the hair in a way that it's able to bring oxygen and nutrients to the roots, thereby promoting hair growth and healthy, stronger strands. I usually just apply everything to my hair, and whenever I have some left over, I still go in again to make sure to saturate my hair with everything. Guys, I can't get enough. I couldn't stop playing with my hair. Like, God, look at those curls, guys. My hair is 4C, and I can't believe, sometimes I can't believe that my hair can even form stuff like this. This oatmeal and cloves hair mask is actually making me want to try wash and go on my 4C hair. I've never ever tried a wash and go on my 4C hair, but with this mask, with the way it makes my curls pop and the movement it gives to my hair, I'm thinking of trying a wash and go and see how it goes. So once I'm done with any section, I twist it up, and once I'm done with everything, I just cover with a plastic bag. I double these things up just to get that greenhouse effect going on, where my hair will just produce enough heat to be able to further moisturize the hair and provide enough moisture that will aid the mask in penetrating my hair shaft. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section below. I love you all, and see you in my next video. Bye.